WGTV, quality you can see. Now we got the chicken nuggets, you guys. It's going inside the air fryer, nice and clean. Clean the air fryer. I'm gonna put these bad boys in there for like 13 minutes, 14 minutes tops. 15 if you want it real crunchy. Yeah, air fryer doing the works, you guys. Like, comment, subscribe. Smash that like button. Chicken nuggets. These are really good, you guys. You should try them. WGTV back with another one. Air fry part 2. Chicken nuggets. Now what you want to do is put it at 400 and put it towards 15. Yeah. Now it's working, you guys. Now when it gets to the middle, all you want to do is flip them and cook through them. Finish. WGTV bring you chicken nuggets in the air fryer. That's good. There you have it, guys. Finished product. Chicken nuggets. Nice and toasty. Now all you have to do is add the barbecue sauce. Shaboy. Now I'm gonna go eat, roll up. You guys enjoy the rest of your day. Make sure you like that.